What do Barney Fife, Herman Munster, and the Three Stooges all have in common? Well, besides being famous knuckleheads, their pictures appropriately line the walls at Knuckleheads restaurant in New Bedford.
Knuckleheads' motto is where everyone knows one.
I'm the knucklehead, and he knows me.
When my friends and I come here, I'm usually the knucklehead.
I'm definitely the biggest knucklehead they got.
With a monstrous menu and live entertainment, this laid-back but fun eatery caters to just about everyone. And while the restaurant may be full of self-proclaimed goofballs, there's no joking around when it comes to the food. Fresh seafood is plucked from the New Bedford waters just outside and comes fried or broiled. But if you prefer your shellfish on a sandwich, you have to try the jaw-dropping 1-pound lobster roll.
It's huge. I love watching the people's expressions when they come over. They kind of look at you like, what am I supposed to do with this? But of course, it's so amazing that they eat it as much as they can, if not all of it.
But you'll know exactly what to do with the creamy artichoke dip served with toast points.
Most people just take it and dip it. Some people like to take a spoon and pour it on top of it and then eat it. But most people just go at it.
If your appetite really wants to go for it, you'll have to go to Knuckleheads on a Tuesday when they offer all-you-can-eat ribs for the ridiculously low price of $9.95. And these ribs are so fall-off-the-bone tender, most customers just leave the sides to the side.
They're so delicious that people don't even eat the mashed potatoes or their sides. They just eat the ribs.
I can probably put down 2.5 racks because I don't eat the sides, just the ribs.
You go at it until you can't move and we have to wheel you out of here.
Since Knuckleheads is located in New Bedford, Portuguese specialties line the menu as well. Shrimp is tossed in a spicy Mozambique sauce spiked with saffron, and authentic Portuguese steak is topped with a fried egg and served alongside traditional crispy potato rounds.
The Portuguese steak is a very big hit. It sounds a little crazy maybe to certain people, but I always tell them, try it. It's gonna blow your mind. It's a steak and it has fried egg on top of it, so once you cut into it, you got that yolk of it just kind of running into the steak. I know it sounds crazy, but it's really, really good.
And then there's the crazy good Portuguese sandwich called the caçoila. Slow-cooked shredded pork is piled high onto what the locals call a Portuguese pop, an extra fluffy, bulky style roll that's soft and squishy in the middle.
I would definitely say the Portuguese pop is something that takes any normal sandwich and just takes it to that next level of amazing. It soaks up any kind of flavor of what you're putting on that, and it's awesome.
If you're looking for more stateside fare, Knuckleheads serves up all your favorites: onion rings, buffalo fingers, mozzarella sticks, even a towering triple-decker burger. And for a truly all-American ending to your meal, try the deep-fried Oreo cookies.
How can you make Oreos even better? You fry them up with some whipped cream.
With all of this delicious food at next to nothing prices, you'd have to be a real knucklehead not to dine at Knuckleheads, a Phantom Gourmet hidden jewel.